Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you this easy, delicious strawberry shortcake cake recipe. Also, let me apologize if I sound a bit stuffy as I'm still recovering from a cold. So with that being said, without further ado, let's get right into it. In a bowl, crack 3 large eggs and remove the yolks. Save those egg whites because we're going to need them. So now go ahead and add some vegetable oil and sugar to the egg yolks and use a whisk to mix everything until smooth, just like so. Add your flour, cornstarch, and salt to a sieve and sift for a lighter, airier batter. Add your milk and whisk until everything is incorporated. Add some vanilla up in there and just continue whisking. Now I hope you save those egg whites because you're going to beat them on high speed until light and foamy. Add some sugar and continue mixing until it forms soft peaks. Get your batter and pour it all up in there and mix on low speed or just folding using a spatula or a wooden spoon. Now go ahead and pour your batter into your prepared baking tin. Tap to pop those air bubbles and bake for about 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. We don't want dirt or bugs in our cakes, so let's go ahead and wash them strawberries and remove the tops. Add them to a blender with some sugar and a little water and blend until smooth. Just like that. Pour into a pot over medium heat and bring to a boil so it thickens. Now ensure you're continuously mixing because we don't want it to burn. So now pour your mixture into a container to cool it down. And let's get into the good part. Get some whipping cream and pour it into a bowl with sugar and red food coloring, and you're going to mix that until it's fluffy.
Yummy.
Go ahead and get a piping bag and add your whipped cream mixture to the bag and set it aside. Check on your cake and remove it from the oven once it's done. Now look how beautiful that turned out. Go ahead and slice the cake into 3 even layers. Be very careful not to cut your hands. Now base your first cake layer with the strawberry sauce from earlier. On top, pipe your whipped cream evenly over the top. And just spread it out. Just like that. Now just do this for the remaining 2 layers. Use the remaining sauce to base the entire cake, and then I'm going to go ahead and pipe the whipped cream all over the entire cake. And ensure that everything is nice and smooth. Now in a bowl, I'm going to add some sugar and some more whipping cream and just whisk until creamy. You could do this with a hand mixer or by hand like I'm doing here. It's totally up to you. And just pour the mixture on top, and we're going to create this cute little ombre effect. Add your decorations to the top like I'm doing here, or you could just leave it plain, whatever you like. But yeah, this is my delicious strawberry shortcake cake recipe. If you liked it, please leave me a like and comment below if you would try this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yummy.